huwag kang magbago dito sa mga sana basta huwag kang magbago dito sa mga kapatid mo.
Sige na, babay ka na.
I love you, Jessica.
Hi Jessica, happy birthday. Sana lumakas ka pa hanggang kailan dumami ang ano mo, pera mo. Sana all dumami pera mo. Happy birthday anak ko, love you.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessica. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, honey! Say happy birthday, mom.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Kasi? Nanay?
Birthday ka.
Daddy? Happy birthday! Awesome. Happy birthday, honey. We'll make another video later. Okay?
Happy birthday, Ate Cal. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jessica. I love you.
Hi Ate Ika! Surprise! Na-surprise ka ba? Alam ko bukas pa yung birthday mo, pero excited kasi kami na i-surprise ka today. Diba? Wala kang ka-idea, diba? So, ang galing namin. Success, guys! Success! And thank you, guys. So, anyway, happy birthday, kapatid. Alam mo naman yung wish ko sa'yo, kapatid. Stay healthy, stay sexy, stay pretty, okay? Hindi ka na bata, kapatid. We're getting old na, as in. Mabuti na lang, we still look young, diba? Yun ang importante, diba? Stay pretty. So anyway, kapatid, alam mo naman, love na love kita, and I can't wait to see you next year, and to have memories together, diba? Yeah, happy birthday, kapatid. Sana na-enjoy mo ang surprise namin sa'yo, at sana masaya ka. Sana na-surprise ka talaga. Ang hirap mong i-surprise, no? Hindi. Thank you, guys. Happy birthday, sis. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jessica. First of all, I want to thank you. Thank you for always being so supportive to me, to your family, to your loved ones, to your friends, and to a lot of people here in TikTok. Thank you. And I pray to God that may continue to bless you with good health, peace in your heart, peace in your mind. And I hope that everything your heart desires come true. I also wish that may you continue to be a blessing to everyone and to a lot more people. Happy birthday, Ate Jessica. I love you and we love you so much.
Happy birthday, cousin. I hope you have a very good birthday today. Apologies for my voice. I sang a lot. No, actually, I just don't feel well. But I hope you have a good time on your birthday. Enjoy, cousin. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. You have to sing with mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. That's not daddy. It's you, Baliw. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita Jessica. You say.
Happy birthday,
Bangad.
Tita Baba.
Oh, di eat ka pala ng lollipop. Bangad ka.
Happy birthday, Jessica. More birthdays to come. We miss you. Take care always.
Hi Ate Cap, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Thank you for everything you have done for us. Stay healthy. Stay pretty. Yeah. Happy birthday again. Ingat po kayo palagi ng family nyo.
Hi, Miss Eka, my sweet friend. May your birthday be as beautiful as you are.
Atika, today is the best day ever because it's the day you were born. Tama? You bring joy to so many people included me. Thank you so much, Ate Ka, for the wonderful kindness. Siyempre, lagi kang nandyan to support us. And laging nandyan yung payo mo, lagi kang full support sa mga desisyon ng mga Team Aswang. Siyempre, yung mga na-build mo din ng mga friends dyan sa ating platform na sinasalihan. Thank you so much, Ate Ka, kasi nakilala ka namin lahat. Siyempre, isa na ako doon. Well, happy birthday sa'yo. Palagi kang i-bless pa sana ni Lord ng madami kasi you are so blessing to us. Kanta mo dyan, Ate Ka. Thank you so much, Ate Ka. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami Eka. We love you po.
Happy birthday, Eka. Ayan. So, alam ko naman na super blessed ka na sa life mo. Hindi man perfect, pero alam kong blessed ka. Kasi, marami ka ring nabibigyan ng blessing. Ayun, isa na ako doon. Thankful ako dahil naging part ako ng buhay mo, ng friendship natin. Yun lang. So, alam kong maraming nagpe-pray sa'yo. Basta ang wish and prayers ko din sa'yo. Good health, and syempre yung safety and protection ng buong family mo. At saka, alam ko naman na maraming nagpe-pray sa'yo ka. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. At palagi kang mag-iingat, more blessing, kasi marami ring taong nababahagian mo ng blessing mo. Napaka-generous mo ka. So, ayun lang, excited na kami ulit na makasama ka pagbalik mo ulit ng Pilipinas. Mag-ingat ka palagi ka at andito lang din naman kami. More blessing and stay as you are. Thank you sa lahat-lahat. I love you, Ka.
Hi Ka! Happy Natal Day sa'yo! I hope ma-achieve mo lahat ng mga wini-wish mo para sa family mo and also sa mga friends mo. Salamat kasi lagi ka nandiyan para sa amin. You're such a good listener, lalo na sa mga kadramahan namin sa buhay. Lalo na ako. Thank you kasi natutulungan mo kami spiritually, emotionally, and of course, syempre, financially, di ba? Lagi ka nandiyan para sa amin. Hindi ka nagdadalawang isip na tulungan kami kahit sa maliit or malaking bagay man. Nandiyan ka pa rin para sa amin. Thank you. Kasi ikaw yung naging blessed para sa amin lahat. Wala na akong masasabi sa'yo. Naway bayaan ka pa ni Lord na mahabang buhay at maging masaya. Stay healthy lang. And iwasan mo na yung pagiging pagkain ng chocolate. Ano ba? Pamigay mo na yan. Thank you, Ka. Miss na miss ka na namin. Sana makasama ka na namin ulit. Although minsan hindi tayo nagkakausap, nagkakatampuan pa tayo. Pero at the end of the day, ito pa rin tayo, diba? Walang nagbago. Ganun pa din. So, salamat sa'yo. And God bless you. Love you, Ka. Bye-bye.
Hi Ka! Happy birthday! Sana until senior days yung ating TikTok live concert. Diba? Yan yung mga bonding natin sa mga edad natin. And more years to celebrate. More blessings pa. Although alam ko na super blessed ka na. Sana dagdagan pa ni Lord. No? And good health always. And thank you sa mga friendship advices every time with the shoulder to cry on. And thank you for reminding us on how to connect with God through our Bible study group. And stay as generous as you are. And alam mo naman na maraming nagmamahal sa'yo. Andito lang kami. Super love ka namin. Yan. Sana more years to come pa. No? God bless!
Hi ka, happy birthday. Naway maging masaya ka sa araw na ito. Hinihiling ko lang na bigyan ka lagi ng malakas na pangangatawan. Ilayo ka sa anumang karamdaman. At naway ligtas ka sa araw-araw. A protection from God. Yun ang ano ko sa iyo lagi. Salamat pala dahil nung time na nangangailangan ako ng gagabay sa akin, nung time na madilim ang aking isipan, ikaw ang binigay ni Lord at hindi mo ako pinabayaan, binabayaan mo ako hanggang sa maging okay ako, hindi ko yun makakalimutan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, maraming nabago sa buhay ko. Yun lang, sana maging masaya ka ng araw ko. Love you ka, ingat palagi.
Hi friend, Jessica, happy birthday sa iyo. Isa na namang taon to na napakasaya. Ang wish ko sa iyo, more blessings to come, lahat ng goals mo matupad mo pa. And salamat, isa ka sa mga taong nakilala kong tunay na kahit hindi tayo nag-usap minsan, pag nag-usap tayo parang wala namang nagbago. Enjoy your birthday. Deserve mo maging masaya as always. Again, happy birthday sa iyo. Love you friend. Ingat ka palagi and God bless. Thank you.
Atika, hi! Happy birthday! Ayan, Atika, happy birthday. I know that we are not close, but please let me greet you a happy birthday. This is my only gift. I hope you will appreciate how are you, how's your life, whatever trials and challenges will come across your life. I hope you will stay strong and solve it in your own proper. Why I know that God will always guide you to the right path, whatever happens, whatever. Don't let your guard on. Your guard down. Whatever happens, stay who you are because we love you for that. Keep writing and keep on inspiring us and the others. Wish you all that happiness you deserve, Ate. I hope you will achieve and reach all the things you desire in your life. I love you, Atika. Thank you so much sa lahat ng support. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate. Happy birthday. Thank you for being my ate. Thank you for being there all the time for us. You know, I wish I'm there para naman kahit pa paano, diba? I can actually celebrate it with you. At least kahit pa paano, kahit sa ganitong paraan lang. You know that we're here for you. And we really, really love you. I do, at least. I really, really love you. Like I said, he reminds me so much of someone that was really special for me. And I'm thankful kasi na-meet ko kayo, lalo ka na. I mean, you actually fulfilled my daily emptiness in my heart. Nandyan ka palagi. Malaking bagay. Oh, I hope that I will see you soon. And, you know, meet you in person. So, at least, mapakita ko man lang or mapa-feel ko sa'yo na totoo yung ano ko sa'yo. How I feel about you as my being elder sister. Ate, please take good care of yourself lagi, ha? you know, when you're sick, I really hate seeing that. So, sana sa birthday mo to, lagi kang masaya, maging masaya ka. You deserve everything in this world, ate. You really do. Your husband, you have the great husband in the world, remember? The best husband in the world. And I'm sure you do have the same thing with your kids. You have the best kids in the world as well. Because you know why? Because you raised them. And you have a really good heart, ate. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Mwah. Chumi chumi. Mwah. Love, love, love. Love you, Ate Ka. Thank you so much. Thank you for always being there. Bye! Happy birthday!
Hi, Ate Eka. Happy birthday, eh. Kompleto ka naman sa lahat, eh, no? Ang wish ko sa'yo ay more birthday to come. And more pasensya to come, especially to us. Kasi, alam ko, pasaway kami palagi. Yung mga kapatid mo dito kay Lolo P, ang daming tama, ang daming salo. And, thank you, te. As in, thank you for everything. Sobrang grateful ako. Na-appreciate talaga kita always. Yung tipo ba na kung saan ka magpunta ay nadala mo kami. Kahit nagwo-walking ka, dala-dala mo pa rin kami. So, parang nakakataba ng puso. Na-appreciate ko po yun. Thank you sa time, sa effort mo at pagiging ate mo sa amin. Sana, te, hindi ka magsasawa. Kasi alam ko naman na minsan, pasaway kami. Huwag kang magsawa, te, na intindihin kami. Sana always ka laging ready na makinig sa amin. Remember, te, always na I see you, I feel you, I appreciate you, and I love you so much. We love you so much, Ate Eka. Ikaw yung inspirasyon namin, ikaw yung sinusundan namin, ikaw yung kinatatakutan namin. Oo, kasi ayaw namin magalit ka sa amin. Kasi alam naman namin na lahat ng mga sinasabi mo sa amin at ina-advise mo sa amin ay para sa amin. Yun naman yun lahat. Thank you so much, Ate Eka. We love you so much. Happy birthday, Ate Eka. Alam ko, hindi mo naman, hindi importante sa'yo ang mga materyales na bagay. Ito lang yung maano ko sa'yo, te. Kasi hindi naman tayo magkasama. Malayo tayo sa isa't isa. Happy birthday, Ate Eka. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Eka, naming maganda. I love you, te. Happy birthday. Ako na mag-blow. Wala ka naman dito. Ay, love you, te.
Happy birthday, Tita Eka. Ayan, wish you all the best. Stay strong, stay healthy po. Thank you po sa laging pag-guide sa amin. And then, I'm so very happy na nakilala ko po kayo. And then, sana po, merong best husband in the world. Ayan, sana all na lang talaga. Sana makita ko na rin yun sa akin. Pag-pray mo na rin, Miss Eka. Ayan, so, kung ano man po yung handa nyo, sana i-share mo sa amin. Happy birthday po. Thank you so much. And then, ingat po palagi. Love na love ka po namin. Thank you po, Tita Eka. I love you.
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best po. I wish na mas marami pang birthday ang dumaan sa'yo and good health at more blessing to your family. And mag-iingat ka parate and sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. And then thank you so much sa you always be there for me. Hindi lang para sa akin kundi sa lahat. And to support, to understand and listen. Alam mo yung kahit kagagaling mo lang sa work na handa ka pa rin makinig sa isang kaibigan mo, katulad sa akin na ganon. And thank you so much, ate, sa walang sawang advice mo. Ganon. Yun, ate. I love you.